Today I want to talk about the benefits of apple cider. As you know, it's people put the ingredient in different foods, cooking different meals, and they put a couple drops of apple cider. But it can be beneficial, basically, for a lot of things, such as just daily usage. Basically, a capful, not too much. That can help you with your stomach, your intestines, killing off bacteria, unwanted bacteria in your stomach and small and large intestines. You don't need to take too much because it is an acid, and usually the pH level, just in case people want to know, of vinegar is usually between like 2 and 3 on the pH chart, but that's for all of y'all guys that's into science. Again, but it's very good. It's a blood thinner, but it can be used. A lot of people use it for when people have high sugar levels, and they use that. And I've been told it works. I tried it as well, and I tested it out, and it works for me. I always will say, check with your physician, make sure you can use it properly and it's good for you. People also use apple cider, put a couple of drops when they soak in their feet, and that's also good to kill bacteria. And also, legends have it, they'll help lower sugar when you put a couple of drops of apple cider vinegar and water and that on baking soda. But that's just a little tidbit I wanted to give you. But I tried it personally. It works for me. That's why I say legends have it. But again, it's pretty good. It's for multiple purposes. People use it for little skin disorders like acne. There's been also people use it for when they have severe dandruff in their hair. So a couple of drops, that also is useful. So again, you can always go and Google and check it out. It's used for many different things. So definitely you should always have apple cider vinegar in storage because it's used for multiple things. And also, people use it, a couple of drops is used as a detergent. If mixing with baking soda, it's an old school way to clean your clothes. But just as a little tidbit, people use the white vinegar as well for cleaning clothes. But today we're only going to focus on apple cider vinegar. Again, it have a lot of benefits to it. You can always Google it and see it. It's for many different purposes. So check it out, and I will talk to you soon.